Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Windsurf on your Windows. So for it, just open any browser and in the browser search for windsurf.com, then press enter. So here, when you go to the website, you will see this option download for Windows. So you need to click here and it will start downloading a exe file. Here you can see, and it will take a few seconds to download. And there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file and it will pop up this. So we need to accept the agreement, then click here next. Then you can choose where you want to install Windsurf, then click here next, click on next again, and we're going to check this on create a desktop icon. So it will create a desktop icon for Windsurf, then click next and click on install. So this will take a few seconds to install Windsurf, and there you can see it's done. So here you can see the Windsurf logo over here. So if we now click on finish, it will open Windsurf. Here you can see welcome to Windsurf. So I'm going to click here get started, and if you want you can get the setting from VS Code if you have VS Code installed. So I'm going to click here next, then you can choose light mode, dark mode, monokai. So I'm going to choose the dark mode, click on next, and here we need to sign up. So I'm going to click here sign up. So we're going to sign up using Google account. I'll click here and it will pop up something like this, a small window. Then we need to choose a mail address from here. Click here continue, and I'm going to click here skip for now, and here you can see open Windsurf. I'll check this on, click here open Windsurf, and there you can see Windsurf is now saying I am in. So let's go and open a simple folder. Let me close everything, and I'm going to check this on code with cascade. Then I'm going to click here open folder. Let me just create a empty folder over here. Let me say here Windsurf project. I'll select this folder, click here select folder, and it will open the folder over here. So right now in order to see the Windsurf chat option, we need to press Ctrl Shift I, and it will open the Windsurf chat option over here. So we can just give any kind of prompt and Windsurf will write the code for us. So here you can see SW 1.5, this is free. There you can see GPT 5.2, Kimi K2.5. There is some Pro model over here as well. So let's choose GPT 5.2, and here you can choose plan mode, code mode. Let's just choose the code mode, and I'm going to give a simple prompt. Let's say here I want to build a simple portfolio website for AI robots using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's just press enter and let's see what it build us. So there you can see it made a plan for us. I'm going to say here implement the plan, press enter. So here you can see it created index.html, style.css and script.js. So I'm going to click here accept all, and let's go and let's open this index.html. So for it, let me just go to my folder, and our project was this was Windsurf project. Let's go inside, let's open the index.html, and there you can see it created a beautiful website in just few seconds. So yeah, this is how you can install Windsurf on Windows and use it. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.